Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be going to the gym. I'm not sure if I'm gonna walk or take the bus. I mean, I am hot because Florida's hot and I'm wearing a jacket and stuff, but I don't know. I know I'm going to the one up the street. My original plan was to actually go to the park, but the park that I wanted to go is like a little bit further. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna probably go to the gym up the street. I'm doing like this 7-day free trial. I didn't know apparently that with gyms like your ID has to be up to date, but the other one that I'm gonna go to, you don't have to have your address up to date, so which is pretty good. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and yeah, do a gym workout vlog for you guys. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. And yeah, I'll be on my way. Guys, literally it's so hot. Like, do I really want to walk like 15-20 minutes up the street just to go to the gym? Like, I don't know. Or I could just wait like, what, 15 more minutes for the bus, but I don't know, we'll see. I have my water bottle. Nothing's in it because I don't have any water at the house, so I'm gonna use this at the gym. So gym day. Hey guys, so I'm here at the gym and I know I look out of breath. That's because I was waiting for the bus for like 5 minutes in the hot sun and I'm wearing a jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna do the 7-day free trial like I said and see how it goes. So yeah. Okay you guys, so I'm here at the gym. It's like how I'd say, it's 2 floors. So yeah, I brought my water bottle. Trying to go up the stairs as I speak, but I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. Guys, I changed the weight. I'm so far. Guys, it hurts. Oh my god, I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. Come on. guys, this is a little cute area. Wow, I forgot that they have like a bottom section, but this is so cute. So guys, I literally just did a whole workout. I don't know, I think I've probably been here over what, an hour or 2 hours probably, and I literally feel like tired, drained. Like I feel like I want to go home and eat something. Yeah, I'm just very tired, and my body is giving out right now. It's really giving out, and yeah, it doesn't look like I'm sweating, but maybe because I'm not in the sun, that's probably why I'm not excessive sweating. But your girl's feeling it in my legs. Just my legs. And I did like this ab crunch workout on the machines, and literally my body is like feeling it again. Like I used to like work out a little bit back in 2017, and now I'm like, I forgot how it kind of feels, and my body is literally like aching right now. I know like tomorrow I'm really gonna feel it, but as for like my calves and like my knees and everything, my legs, because my legs are very weak. Like literally walking just 15 minutes like hurts my feet a lot, and I don't know if that's like wearing like certain shoes or anything, but yeah, it literally, yeah, my legs are not strong enough. So I don't know, it's a free trial, so I don't know if I'm gonna come out here again, but I think I should, just because I have a free trial for the week. So I'm gonna attempt guys to try to come out here. But yeah, I think I probably might go back home, and probably eat something and relax. Sorry, I'm putting my head up here. I don't really want anybody in the video, but yeah guys, thank you guys for commenting and subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell. And yeah, I love you guys so much.